Steps to a civil lawsuit. Okay, this man vandalized the owner of a fence. He went on his property and painted graffiti on it. This is a nuisance tort, and he's being sued for compensatory damages. Yeah. All right. The first step of this lawsuit is the complaint. The owner of the property is suing the person who vandalized the fence. The reasons are because they ruined the fence and they are seeking money to fix it. The next step is the summons. The court sends a summons to the defendant. The responsibility of the defendant is to show up in court for that date. The next step is the answer. The answer addresses the basic and legal claims in the complaint. The person in this scenario is to deny it. Step 4, discovery phase and the pretrial conference. The purposes of this step is for the opposing lawyer to collect testimony from a witness that assists in the preparation in a case. The plaintiff has his fence as evidence and he witnessed it. The disposition occurs any time a person appears under oath to answer questions posed by an attorney. Step 5, other possible endings. One possible ending is mediation. It lets the mediator talk and tries to help them come to an agreement. Another option is settlement. The defendant agrees to the plaintiff's claims and decides not to fight the matters in court. The last step could be arbitration. This resolves the dispute by determining an equitable suit. Step 6, the trial. The primary evidence is the fence with the graffiti on it. The defendant is held liable and must pay for the damage. Step 7, the appeal. The defendant would appeal because he doesn't want to pay for the damages because he claims he doesn't know it was someone's property. Step 8, enforcement. If the defendant does not obey the judgment, then he will be charged with a crime. Our defendant does obey the judgment. By Alex, Alyssa, and Ashleigh.